Picture this. You've got a startup that's just gaining traction. So you want to organize a database of customers and streamline some of your processes with updated programs. It wasn't too long ago that you'd have to keep all of your data and programs you want to run on premises, where your data is physically stored on site in a room full of massive computers. Thankfully, in the 1960s, some innovative engineers thought, hey, what if we shared computing power across a bunch of different businesses so they didn't all have to manage their own systems? The engineers' idea was a success then and continues to evolve today. Consider how far we've come. Today, instead of needing to find a physical space, staff, and surveillance, you can access the resources you need by connecting to a remote data center through the cloud. These remote data centers store awesome amounts of information, as well as hardware and software applications and networking equipment. Way more than those engineers dreamt. The cloud makes it all possible. I know, all this cloud stuff sounds fantastic. And it is. It's also extremely at risk of attack. Cybercriminals know that the cloud holds a ton of valuable data. That data is coming from users and industries all around the world. Cybercriminals also know the cloud is a complex, shared environment, so securing the cloud can be challenging. Cloud security is a vital and highly valued profession. It's also an exciting one, because as a cloud security team builds robust security, cybercriminals continue to attack. The content in this program will equip you with the knowledge and skills required of entry-level roles in the field of cloud cybersecurity. And career resources, including resume and interview prep, will help you prepare to apply for jobs in the field. My name is Megan, and I'm a security engineer at Google. I'll be your instructor for the first course of this certificate program. I'm on the security reviews team under Information Security Engineering. My team evaluates all of our product and feature launches to make sure they're secure before making them available to the public. I usually describe my job as ethical hacking. My background is in computer science, but I learned a lot about security in different ways. I took introductory security classes in school and learned about networking, disaster recovery, and offensive security through internships. Outside of school, I learned most of my hacking knowledge through online resources, cybersecurity certificates, like this one, and capture the flag challenges. A unique thing about me is that I'm disabled. I have a chronic illness that sometimes makes it difficult to work when I'm having a flare-up. I was worried about starting my first full-time job, but my coworkers and managers have been nothing but supportive. The program is divided into courses based on different cloud cybersecurity processes. The course topics include Introduction to Cybersecurity and Cloud Computing, Proven Strategies for Risk Management in the Cloud, Identifying and Protecting Against Threats in the Cloud, and Detecting, Responding, and Recovering from Cloud Cybersecurity Attacks. Each topic builds on the content before it, so I encourage you to complete the courses in order. The final course is the capstone. It's a great opportunity to demonstrate the knowledge and skills you gain throughout your academic journey. As you work on your project, we've got videos and readings to teach you cloud cybersecurity concepts and skills. Then, interactive activities and labs will let you practice those concepts and skills. You can take the labs more than once, and lots of learners do. So if you hit some trouble spots, just keep at it. You'll also have quizzes to confirm your understanding and glossaries to help reinforce key terms. I'll be by your side throughout this first course, making sure you're getting the foundational knowledge you need. Then, you'll meet my teammate Preston.
Hello, I'm Preston, and I'm a security engineer here at Google. Together, we'll explore cloud risk management frameworks. In this course, you'll learn how to identify risks and implement security controls to mitigate them. You'll also understand compliance while managing data protection and privacy, and you'll compare and adopt frameworks. Next, Manny will take over.
Hey there, I'm Manny, and I'm a Google security engineer. I'm really excited to introduce you to identity, management, and access control principles in a cloud environment. We'll check out 3 of my favorite topics: threat and vulnerability management, cloud-native principles, and data protection measures. Next, in the course on cybersecurity attacks in cloud, you'll learn from Celine.
Hi, my name is Celine, and I'm a security engineer at Google. I'm excited to investigate how cloud cybersecurity professionals can detect, respond, and recover from cybersecurity attacks. Together, we'll dive into logging, security and alert monitoring, and mitigation techniques. Last up, you'll meet Lewis, when you put everything together that you've learned in a capstone project.
Hello, I'm Lewis, a Google security architect, and I'm going to help you prepare to wow potential employers. Together, we'll put everything you learned from courses 1 through 4 into action in a capstone project. You'll create impressive work examples to share with future employers.
We instructors are really happy you're here. So let's get started.